The drive has been less than 11 miles door to door for those whose replica jerseys are of a scarlet hue. As for the Ospreys fans, they will want to see these fellas banish the miserable memories of the past fortnight, and they'll have to do it without their talisman, Justin Tipperick, out until the new year. The good news is that Jack Morgan starts for the Ospreys for the first time in more than 10 months. Kieran Williams returns after an injury layoff, and Daniel Kasendi will have two players involved today on loan from the Cheetahs in South Africa. Dwayne Peel has changed more than half of his Scarlets lineup after the mauling in Dublin. Wyn Jones, Ryan Elias and Via Fafita all back and in the pack. Gareth Davis and Johan Lloyd are restored to 9 and 10. Johnny McNichol and Steph Evans return to the back three. Tight head Joe Jones is among the replacements. He only joined the club this week from Sale. So there it is. So the rain is falling. Time on. Local bragging rights at stake. Whose flag will be flying at full mast in about an hour and 3/4 time. Throwing to the hands there of Darwin Tuapolotu.
Bind.
There you are.
There you go, right on cue.
Set. Height. His feet are back and he's collapsed.
14 out of 15 so far this season. This is an early test, though, from more than 40 metres. See, that's what the big names do. There he is. Kasendi joining in. The arm is out again from the referee.
Say more. Short last beat.
Well, they're about half an inch short, and then was that Kieran Williams getting the ball over the line? Indeed it was.
He was ready just in case they needed to come out and carry. You see there's forward momentum. He's got in, and then eventually he finds himself in the right place there.
Higher or higher? Yes, higher, please.
Just to get it over the line.
Peter, who was one of the heroes of that victory against Cardiff.
There's no massive forward momentum at the moment from the Scarlets.
He's never on ball, he's then off his feet.
So it's just a little bit further away than the first one, and a little bit more to the right.
That's exactly what I've done there.
Still no problem there.
He carries hard, defends
Set.
hard.
Good height
Great
here.
over the ball. There's hardly any weaknesses.
And once again, the scrum has collapsed, but the referee urging them to get going, and Kieran Williams on that hard line again, and he's over the line. Has he got it down? The referee's trying to get the best possible view.
Time off, relax.
This
Gents,
may
relax, thank
well
you.
go
Relax, thank you.
to the television match official.
From Kieran Williams.
It is a great line, isn't it? He's using real strength.
Jans, coming up to you, mate. We haven't got anything clear on field, but we have got the ball over the line.
Shows the ball on the floor, clearly grounded by 12. Black, stand by.
Yeah, this is the angle. Might not see it now.
That's great, Jans.
That's
We've got
down.
we've got a clear press on the ball there, and it's over the line, so I
That's
can award the
also
try.
down.
You may, yeah.
Max Nagy. Oh, that was a huge hit. Via Fafita, taking no prisoners. It leads to a penalty. With the same result. He's forced back.
Last feet, last feet.
Teddy Leatherbarrow doing the work. Here's Tom Buerta, looking right, looking left, going straight through the middle. Oh, I say, it's looking like the top of my kettle at the moment. Oh, and they're over the line, and this time they have got it down.
The power and the strength.
I haven't clearly
and your
got
big
one.
carrier in a good position.
In a couple of moments, they're going to be down to a rookie half-back pairing with Rivan Kriya waiting to come on. He, along with Dan Edwards, making their debuts. Another penalty advantage.
Thank you, mate.
To the Ospreys.
When we came down earlier on, we had 3 penalties in the red zone. We've come in and visited again. We've just had 2 on the banks. This is the 5th penalty now, OK? He gets a yellow card. You collapsed.
So off goes Steph Thomas.
Steph Thomas for collapsing it.
Here.
But also Alex Craig for changing bind.
17 collapse.
Played with all the time in the world, Johnny McNichol.
There was nothing clear for me. Thank you, Ant. Wait. No, no lift. Outside, stand right!
Yohan Lloyd wants it downfield.
Okay.
Nagy. 6 minutes to go. Oh, didn't catch that right, but it might well work for Nagy. I don't think it should have done, but it might just do that. And now breaking away, there goes Edwards. And the Ospreys have their bonus point score. What a moment for young Dan Edwards on his debut.
Not what he wanted to do, so there you see him scan, he sees the option to go, but still a kick in behind is what he wants, but he didn't catch it right off the boot. But like you say, it worked out well. And then Dan Edwards there. What a moment for this young man on the shoulder. Still got the one-on-one with the fullback. He nails it, and he slides in. He'll enjoy every second of that.
Really good swerve on the outside. Nice step.
The whistler's gone, and it has been the Ospreys' night. Daniel Kasending his first start for the Ospreys. Kieran Williams, those 2 tries early on, which took the Ospreys ahead. And once they'd done that, well, they never looked like being caught.